Hello friends and welcome to a review of the Glen 4047 Electric Blender. This electric blender is designed to be small and compact yet delivers a wonderful performance. The 200-watt super-fast motor blends your favorite fruits in a jiffy. This trendy blender comes with a Sporty BPA free bottle to carry. The bottle also has food-grade silicone seal. Making smoothies has never been this easy. Now, no need to pour your protein shake into another vessel. The 600 ml capacity is perfect for a single person. The BPA-free bottle comes with a cap and a carry handle. Now just hook it to your bag or backpack and you're all set to go. The blender has stainless steel blades that can be cleaned easily and are rust resistant so they can keep running for years together. The one-touch button makes it hassle-free to use. Making smoothies have never been so easy. This electric blender is ISI marked. Glen 4047 IB also has a variant 4047 Plus, which is black in color. To sum up, this is a great companion for your fitness regime. It is compact, handy and a trendy tool. Glen 4047 Electric Blender comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.